Hey, did you play Need for Speed Underground 2 growing up? I did, spent hours building sick rides and free roaming the streets of Bayview, and I hope someday the cool car would translate to the real world. Unfortunately, all I have at the moment is a beaten old ES300, but I bet with some mods and some elbow grease, we can make this a clean street build. This is the series where we make that happen. Welcome to Tire Fire. This is our first career mode build, so we'll start where everybody starts in career mode. Customization and achieving our first star rank.
Take me on a rocket ride.
So, you may be wondering why I'm even bothering with an old Toyota with over 318,000 miles on it. Truth is, I got Aphrodite for free from my auntie. She's named after this lady.
What's up, motherfucker?
It needed an exhaust, got an exhaust, and somehow still needs an exhaust. And bodywork. But today, we're up in the steez factor. After a deep clean inside and out, we wrap the interior trim to match the metallic gray on the outside before bolting up the new Tesla Model 3 rims and tires with hub-centric spacers and adapter rings.
Alright, so it's a Sunday. Today we're throwing on Colin's wheels and tires that have been sitting for a little bit and finally get these other rims and tires off his car because they've seen better days, especially Mr. Bendy in the right front. You probably saw that short if you're a long-time fan, but easy to do this stuff. If you ever need to do stuff like this, it's the perfect time. Save a little money.
When bolting the new Tesla Model 3 rims and tires up to a Toyota or Lexus with a 60.1mm diameter hub centering ring, proper fitment and minimum NVH is easiest attained with hub-centric spacers and 4mm adapter rings. These will allow the wheels to mount onto the ring in the center of the wheel hub with factory fitment and clearances. The Michelin PilotSports that come standard on these wheels also have NVH reduction foam inside to help reduce the noise, vibration, and harshness from tires rolling over rough roads. It made quite a noticeable difference on the road, even over the broken exhaust drone.
So, going to phone video, just going to take this for a quick ride. Wow, this is a look. I like it, man. I think it fits. JB, thoughts?
I mean, besides having a Tesla emblem, like point blank.
You mean Tire Fire? A Tire Fire emblem?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It already feels a little smoother.
You might have a little rubbing in the front, to be honest.
I think in the back, if anything.
Hey, you're both wrong.
Wow. It is a lot quieter though. Definitely not feeling as much road vibration. Not to mention that Tesla style. I got that hot neutron style.
Oh God, safety.
You can't handle the neutron style.
So what do we do now? How can we gain more clearance there? Do we take the wheel back on? Oh, spring clutch.
It's the only thing that's holding on my ass end. We'll be back with you guys shortly. Colin, anything else to say?
Yeah, you're gonna want to cut the camera for this next part.
Bye-bye.
What's up, buddy?
Up.
How you doing?
Tired.
Yeah. You feel like help me doing some filming? You feeling like old man Indy today? You feeling like 80-year-old Harrison Ford?
Honestly, kind of.
Our dedication to high-quality audio and low-quality video shall never disappoint. Welcome back to my Lexus. We're going to be making a new battery work with a used core battery and this stuff that I found lying around my garage. I've already taken the backseat out in the past. I already have an amplifier set up in there. Bye, Mr. Spider. So it's really just going to be modifying what I have in there. Luckily, I left myself enough slack on both cables with the proper hookups on both ends where it shouldn't pose an issue. But one step at a time. Right now, son of a gun. Day late and $1 short and constantly out of a 10 mil. That is exactly what you want to see. Bad angles, fraying connections, nothing better. Are you excited?
Always.
Hey, thanks for showing up today. I'm just happy to see your face.
You got so many fake gooey shit.
Well, remember that era in Tire Fire when we...
Get out of my car now!
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't!
I don't like beating each other up like that no more. So, you're a good person, James Brown. We're totally wholesome, bro. Family safe. What we're doing here is taking the battery cable from honestly, I think this is from the Comet, and I don't even know what this is from, if I'm being honest. I think an old Subaru, and I had this lying around. So what we're doing is installing a second battery using the amp connections which are already led back there that we can splice into. That battery will act as a capacitor for extra energy storage so that I won't have to deal with the headlights dimming every time the bass hits. I did it.
You actually did it, folks.
Yeah, who do you think you're dealing with? Look at this, back in place. Like factory fit. We're good.
You know, guys, show some love and support. I love you, Colin.
Yeah, I know you do. As you should.
Oh, well, I take it back.
And now, if all has gone well, beauty.
Alrighty then. Alright. Don't smell a fire. This has been Tire Fire. Anything you want to say to the people before we peace out?
What's up, guys? My name's Colin. Welcome back to My name's Colin. Welcome back to Tire Fire. Today, I'm finally patching the exhaust on this loud, noisy little car. So we're about to tear into this and get it done. Everything's gonna go swimmingly.
Nothing will go wrong.
Nothing has gone wrong thus far.
Oh, dude, it's been a mint day. What time is it?
The time when we planned on starting, I'm sure. Anyway, this disc isn't too thick, and it's definitely going to do a perfect job of quickly cutting through, and not violently cutting through, an old flange or two.
Tire Fire. Are we not rolling? Oh, we're still rolling.
It was great patching with you, and I guess I'll patch you later.
Alrighty, gang. It's been 24 hours. First fire up. I haven't even heard it yet. Oh my god. That's quiet. And the exhaust is rattling, but it's coming out the exhaust. For the first time in 2 years. There's not a big leak under here. Maybe a little one, but not a big one. Oh, I'm happy with that. Next up, bodywork. But that's probably going to be another episode. Maybe I'll teach you something. So for now, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one. Remember to like and subscribe. Catch you later.